Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today we bring you an amazing, healthy, nutritious salad full of lots of amazing vegetables, some cheese, some quinoa, and a beautiful olive oil and lemon dressing. It's perfect for the upcoming summer months. It's going to keep you energized and healthy, so let's get started. So just look at all of the amazing vegetables that we put in this salad. So we have cucumbers, we have lettuce. You can use whatever lettuce you like. We have some fresh coriander, some green onions, and some fennel. Now, fennel adds a really nice touch to this. We have some fresh lemon, we have some feta cheese. You don't have to put this if you don't like feta cheese. We have some fresh spinach, some cherry tomatoes, and some mint, some olive oil, a half a cup of quinoa that we're going to boil, some salt, black pepper, and oregano. So the first step is to prepare the quinoa. So we're going to give it a nice rinse just to make sure it's clean, and we're going to boil it in double the amount of water. So if you have half a cup of quinoa, you're going to add 1 cup of water, and we're going to boil that on medium heat, and we're going to dry up all of the water. So it takes about 3 to 4 minutes for it to cook. So when it looks like this, you can turn off the heat and put your quinoa on a plate for it to cool down, and we're going to get the salad ready. So we begin by chopping up the lettuce. You can chop it up as big or small as you like it. We like to make ours into like cubes like this. Then we have the fennel, and the fennel is a very crispy and crunchy vegetable, so we like to slice ours like this in very thin slices. Here we have some coriander, so you can roll it up and chop that as well and put that in with the rest of the vegetables that we just chopped up. And next we're going to slice open our spring onions or our green onions and chop those as well. And here we are chopping up our Lebanese cucumbers. These cucumbers are very, very delicious. They're crispy and they just add an amazing taste to the salad. And here we roll up our mint and we also chop that up. So add that in with the rest of the salad. And we also chopped up our spinach. We put that in. We chopped up our cherry tomatoes. And the last thing is to chop up the feta cheese. So you can make small cubes or large cubes. It adds a really nice flavor to the salad. It also adds some protein, and it makes your salad a lot more filling, because usually if you don't have cheese or protein to your salad, you kind of get hungry afterwards, but with this cheese you're going to get more protein and you're going to be satisfied for longer. And to prepare our dressing, it's very simple. We add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a lemon that we're going to juice, and add in the salt. We have half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of oregano, but you can use whatever spices or herbs that you like. You can use basil, you can use cumin, and your favorite spices really, and just give it a nice whisk. And we're going to pour that all over the salad. And don't forget to add in the quinoa, because we almost forgot. And give everything a nice mix. And if you have some olives, you can go ahead and add them in as well. So here's a beautiful and delicious healthy salad that you can eat as much as you want and you won't feel guilty. You can serve this with a nice plate of rice and enjoy it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.